Hello everyone, welcome to TechPista. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable or enable the threat protection on Windows 11. Sometimes Windows security blocks some software installation. In this case, people would like to disable the threat protection on their Windows computer. So how can you temporarily disable the threat protection on Windows 11 computer? Let's learn how you can do this. In your Windows 11 computer, you have to go to settings. In the settings window, you have to click on the privacy and security. Here you have to click on the Windows security. The protection area, you have to click on the virus and threat protections. It will be open the virus and threat protection page. Here you have to click on the manage settings. In the manage settings page, you have to turn off the real-time protection. Now your threat protection features has been disabled. This option is only for the temporary, because if you are restarting the computer, it will be automatically turned on. So whenever you would like to enable the threat protection, so you have to turn on this feature. So in this way you can disable or enable the threat protection on Windows 11. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section.